To begin, we must prepare our boba. Tapioca is made from starch extracted from the cassava root native to South America. The preparation methods for the pearls vary. In this video, we will be starting off with a half cup in boiling water, cooked for 15 minutes on medium heat and 15 minutes on low. The key is to stir the pearls until they begin to float to the surface, then cover and let cook until light brown. Next, we will be brewing our tea. I chose Earl Grey tea, which is classic black with hints of lavender. After 5 minutes, the resulting tea is a deep amber color and should be set aside to cool down before assembly. As the boba is almost done cooking, we must create the sugar syrup, which is essential to imbue the tapioca with flavor and sweetness. I usually add water to just cover the sugar, and then microwave at 30-second intervals until the sugar is completely dissolved. While we are working on the sugar syrup, make sure to set aside a jar with cold water, into which we will strain our cooked boba pearls. When the tapioca pearls are ready, they sink to the bottom of the saucepan and have a solid black color. They are also relatively glossy and should not stick to one another. We will need a strainer for this step. Once we have transferred all the boba pearls into the cold water, we need to leave them aside for 20 to 30 seconds for the still boiling hot pearls to solidify. Afterward, we strain the boba once more and add the pearls to their final destination, which is the sugar syrup. Ideally, the boba should remain in the sugar syrup for at least 30 minutes to soak. A bit of raw honey will work excellently to ensure that we achieve maximum flavor. Now that the tea and boba are finished, we can work on our sweet cream. I have a latte swirl stick, but a regular whisk or blender will work just fine. Our goal is to achieve a thick layer of microfoam to add to our tea for a creamy boost. My sweet cream is equal parts vanilla syrup, 2% milk, and heavy cream. Assembly time is upon us. In order, our ingredients will go as follows: brown sugar syrup, tapioca pearls, ice, black tea, a splash of soy milk, and sweet cream on top. Now we stir, and voila! Our classic boba milk tea is complete. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on another episode.